Hello everybody and welcome back to My Friendly Neighborhood. And before we start, I have to sort of sell myself out a little. During setting up this recording session, I spent some time trying to figure out what was wrong with my recording software because it wasn't picking up my audio at first. And I spent literally 20 minutes trying to resolve this issue, and only to realize that the default settings on the video player, the thing I was using to check my recording, see how I sounded, was set to mute. So I spent 20 minutes trying to figure out why I was muted. Fun fact, the mute button apparently. And I'm in a mood now, so I just want to kill things violently if possible. I don't remember what we were doing last time. There's a cheeseburger. The mouse can live. Mouse's friend. What the? Is that like a street? Yeah. Now, as I was saying,
Exercise those legs.
Oh, I remember now. Oh, I remember now.
Down the street. Make sure to greet every neighbor as you go by.
Elmo sound an ass.
Fuck!
Oh man, that's gonna hurt.
How did I not hit you? I hit the guy up there and not you. I hate you. Alright, what was I doing again? Thank you, Elmo ripoff. I don't actually know why I'm here. Yeah, I don't actually know why I'm here, to be honest. Did I mean, I got out of the sewers. I think. Wait, no, I remember. I got out of the sewers, kind of. I managed to make it to this building, but I never got outside again. Yeah, because that door's locked. That's not how I got in. I got through, like, a side door or something, right? Truck. Oh, that's the outside. It's antenna on roof. And I'm now in the hotel. Right? It doesn't show me on the map is the problem. I don't actually know where I am at all. Elevator? Not working. Cool, great start. Yeah, I don't know where I am. I've just lost all memory of this place. I don't think I was done in the sewers, though, was I? I feel like there was a few doors I just never got into. I'm not sure if I skipped ahead by accident, or if this is where I'm meant to be. Stage. Cheeseburger. TV studio. Music studio. Oh! And the button works. Oh, am I now going downstairs? Or upstairs? Yeah, alright. And now I'm actually back in the sewers. Okay, sure. That makes a bit more sense. I'm not sure I actually... Why is this door red? Also, I never got in here. Oh, come on. Rude. Please tell me I can go in. Please tell me I can go in. I'm going in. Woo! I didn't die. Alright. Boat. Let's just go to the boat for now. And actually, let's... Why do I have a mask? Examine. A velvet mask. Could have been used in a play or a horror movie. cool. I'm not quite sure why I have a mask. It's not like I can put it on, can I? It just said move as the only option. Wrong button. Yeah, only move, so I don't actually know. The mysteries of this game make my mind a enigma. Okay, where am I now? I'm here. Yeah, that room's red. Did I not check it out properly? That might be a thing. There's definitely a room I haven't gotten into. Anyone in here? I think there's one guy. No, it must have been another area. I remember taping a guy up in one of these. Hey there, kids! What's up there? So, straight all the way and then right. I actually don't know. Why did I not... Alright, you know what? I don't like you. Ah, triangle door. I don't have a triangle key, do I? No. Okay. Ray's lair. Stay away. Oh, okay. So I can take on Ray if I wanted to. Is that optional? I guess. This is weirdly more free roam than I thought it'd be. I kind of expected it to be more like Bioshocky, where I'm constantly being fed, like, quests, which force me to go around the place. But this just feels a little bit more... bit more free to that. Did I check all these? I probably did. Yep. Yep. Yeah, there's the mouse. So on the map... Okay, that's a triangle door. And if I go here... Triangle, okay. So those... So all of these, actual things... Actual shapes refer to specific things. Cool. Good to know. Uh-huh. Blocked by an electrical latch. I can go through there. How do I... Is there like a different combination I'm meant to have? Really? I don't have room? Okay, fine. Feels a little... weird. Oh, wait. I thought there was a... No, it's the next room. That's where the... Yeah. I know what I'm doing. Okay, I don't think I need the mask right now. Then again, I kind of want to keep it just because... I feel like I... Oh! Okay, well that's actually a bit more helpful. I don't think I need you. Yeah, I don't think I need you. Key bar, key card, candy bar. Alright. I don't have any other, like, notes, right? On, like, yeah, sewers. Episode script. War is over. Pirates Cove. Letter to editor. Punch card memo. Breaker notes. Someone keeps taking the breakers that you used to open these doors, so I put them in lockboxes around the basement. Here's a map of where they are, in case you need them. Hank. It's Ray. There's definitely, I feel, a hint I should be able to find. Because there's definitely a combo involved in opening that door. There's no way there isn't. Maybe I just didn't find it. Oh no. That door's open. And it just leads to the boat. Can I still use this door? I can. Why can I still open the door? A little weird. It's a little weird. I can just take them. Okay, I'm gonna put them back. I just don't see a good reason to have them on me at this point. Like, I'm definitely gonna have to come back here. There's no way I don't. I just gotta figure out when to get back and what combo, I guess. Take me to the boat place. Cool. ABC, 1, 2, 3. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. There's a difference. Here's Ray again. He's just chilling. There's a diamond door there. I have square, but that's kind of it. Ray, why are you... Hi, Ray. You having fun over there? You know what, Ray? You've been a good boy. One swipe. That's all you get. Good boy. Now go to bed. Alright, sweet. Good boy. He gets one swipe. Yeah, I can't get in there because I don't have the diamond. I have to get up there to get into the elevator. Oh. Yeah, you're the guy I was right. I did tape a guy. I just forgot where, evidently. Yeah, can't open. Oh, didn't even notice me. Alright, back up, I guess. Yeah, there was definitely doors I couldn't unlock in the first building. But I can't access that anymore because I got kind of stuck down here. Guess the hotel will give me, theoretically, another key? I guess. I don't really have many other options. Yeah. I just wanted to double check to see, like, if there was actually anything important, because as far as I know, how's that? Like a script. Can you, like... Why am I not on any of the maps? That's weird. Uh-huh. Can I really not grab that? It's like it's just sticking out. Locked. Cool. Both of these just go out the front area. I can't... No, I can go in there. Did I not go in here? I just don't remember. Oh, yeah, no. I could. I just don't think this went anywhere relevant. Yep, nothing relevant. Nothing just lying around. There's a thing lying around. On the War, a reflection. Last month marked 7 years since the end of the war, so it seems like a good time to reflect on the impact it has had on our lives. I think across the whole city, the war has left us feeling troubled. We were called to service for the sake of righteousness, love for one city, and protecting others. But in the end, we found that those calling were just noble lies, and behind them, the horror of reality thwarted our starry-eyed ideals. We left home as heroes and came back as murderers. But this tension leads to a question. Why should we care about right and wrong, or friendliness, as the children's show puts it? Following such things can make a terrible cost. The only reason would be if there were some overarching purpose, some guiding goodness to our wanderings in the world. But there is exactly what an injustice like the war calls into question. Perhaps it is time to put aside those old ideas. Perhaps it is time to look for some sources of hope. Perhaps the wise man is the one who lives for himself. Cool. Oh! Ammo. Sweet. Yeah, that was exposition, I think. Oh, and that's just like a making of the thing, and there's Ray right there. They're just chilling. And the little guy's attempting to feed, I think, a Coraline doll. I mean, those are button eyes, right? I'm not... Can I steal the guitar? I want the guitar. Aww. Fire extinguisher? All the things I want to steal, I can't. But all the weird, miscellaneous junk, I can. This game doesn't let me grab the things that are clear weapons. A guitar is way better than a wrench. Way more reach. Like, I could... That's like double the length of a wrench. I don't care if it doesn't hit as hard. I don't have to be as close. I think that's a valid compromise. Anything on the desk I missed, maybe? Oh yeah, there was signs about ringing the bell only once, right? Is anything happening? Is this doing anything? Is this helping? No, not really. Alright. Cool. Random, but cool. That just goes back there. I don't want to deal with the little guys again. Those guys were annoying as hell. Popcorn, paper. I don't think I was in here. Oh. The punctuation. Or to swap to the punctuation. Oh, it's a grenade. Oh. How you doing, bud? You guys look like you've seen some stuff. Aww. Alright, fine, I'll go to the theater. That's a can. Cool. Very dirty. Oh, come... I don't have the room? Really? That's annoying. That's super annoying. Yeah, and I don't actually think there's a way of me dealing with this. Can I not just swap? course not. Oh, convenient.
Gonna ambush me, huh?
I can't say I'm surprised. Maybe next time I'll default to the shotgun? Because I feel like that deals with crowds better. I think I spent a lot... Oh! I think I spent like, what, 12 rounds? I still don't know what the masks are for. Presumably there's a statue I need to put them on or something. Anything in here? Oh, sweet. It's a cupboard. A cupboard with a grenade! Nice. Nope. Alright, fine. I have a mask, I guess. This game takes a while to load. Like, I know there's a bunch of guys running around, but, like... It still feels like it takes a long time to load. Okay. I have 2 masks. I don't know why. That's a... cookie. I was about to say a pallet, but... Nope, but definitely cookies. What the... What kind of cryptic lockbox is this? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No, hold on. I think I actually recognize this. Hold on. I can't believe I actually recognize this. This is an Easter egg. This is a reference to another Dread X game from the second Dread X, Charlotte's Exile. This is one of the items from that game. And I did some research. The dev of that game helped make this one too. So this is a callback to one of his previous games. That's hilarious. I can't believe I noticed that. Oh, that's sick. Yeah, because it's got the Cthulhu-esque emblems on them too. That's sick. How did I not... Oh, okay, that's awesome. Nah, okay. I nerded out a little bit, but that's actually kind of cool. No one would have noticed. I'm surprised I did. Alright, back to Bioshock and things. Or failing to pick stuff up. That works too. Oh, wait, room? God, there's a lot of stuff. More ammo? A... Ricky Dance. You dancing. Okay, this is just like an animator's room, I guess. Is there like a little safe room in here? I'd appreciate one just so I can drop stuff off.
The mail comes
Nope,
every
not
day.
quite.
I look out the
Hi,
window
Sleepy.
the moment it appears. And then when it does, I rush outside to see what
Back off. You took way more ammo than you probably should have. That's an elevator? Oh! Fuck! That actually scared the living shit out of me. Oh, God. My heart's actually racing. Holy crap. Oh, God. Hold on. Having a heart attack. Give me a minute. Oh, God. Asshole. Oh, God. That made me jump out of my skin. I swore he was nowhere near me. I didn't think he heard. Cool. Oh, I needed that, thanks. Just gonna use it real quick. Thanks. All the paintings. Okay. Oh, diamond. Okay. So I guess I'll get the diamonds key around here. When I'm smart, bang. Huh. Rough night at the office? First rule of horror game 101. They're never dead. Unless you did it yourself, they're not dead.
I'm a friend.
Bad friend. Cool. Salutations. Nothing else? They're all Elmos. Every single one is, like, just Elmo. Shut up. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just going door after door after door after door. And now I'm in a bar? Oh, this is a shooting range.
Looks like fun. Maybe I'll give it a shot.
Wait, what? It's missing a piece. Let's play a game. Press the bell to start. When it's your turn, either draw a card or play a card to move. How many spaces? First to end wins. If you land on a Normand, draw a card. Junebug is wild. If you start your turn on Junebug, immediately play the top card of your deck. Leonard is slow. If you're Leonard, you can only play one. If you land on Goblet, you lose. Uh-huh. Don't know who Goblet is. Apparently I'm missing a piece? Oh, a player piece. Oh, and you have the key. Please don't be a time limit. Please don't be a time limit. Wait, what? Red. Oh! Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Guess I can come back. The safe has been installed to keep vulnerable items out of the hands of neighbors. I don't want to include the combination here in case some of them can read. Let's just say I'll help you see the flip side of things. Barry Green, head of security. It's on the other side, maybe? I don't remember how to access. What button was it? Office. Flip side? What, did this safe? That's not a safe. Oh, this. Something missing. Oh, is it like the opposite side of the dice? Looks like there's something missing. Okay, so I'm looking for dice, I guess? Red key. Oh, I unlocked a door? Where does this go? Oh, it's in here. What the? Oh, God. What the hell are you? He got up? Let's leave.